Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. And in this video today, I'm going to show you how to earn $12 over and over again and earn some free PayPal money doing very simple things. And there are multiple ways to earn on this site, so I can't wait to show you. So let's get started right now. So the site that I want to show you is getpaidto.com. Here you could get paid to do a few things, online tasks that is very easy to do, and you could earn points, and then you could cash them out into various ways, and one of the ways is PayPal option. So this is going to be a great one for you to earn some money. Okay guys, okay, you could get cash back. There's two things that you can get here. You could get cash back. Get more from your online shopping with cashback, voucher codes, discounts, and special offers at all your favorite brands. And then you can also earn points, earn GPT points for simple tasks such as completing surveys, watching videos, listening to the radio, and more. So there's a video here that you can watch, and it's 4 minutes long, so it actually goes through all the different ways that you can earn. Okay, so I'm going to go through this with you. So all you gotta do to sign up is either click join up here or join now button, and it'll go to this page for you. And all you need is an email, a username that you want to use, and a password, and that's it. Okay, so let's look at the ways how you can earn. So there's several ways you can earn here. So you could watch videos, though that's very easy. See, you could get 3 different types of ways to watch your videos on, and the one that is best, guys, is the engageme.tv. You don't really have to try these two out, but you can if you want to see if there's more ways for you to earn, but the best one is this one. So all you gotta do is click on here, check out how many points you get per video, and then you could just have that run on the background and then do other things on the site and earn multiple ways at the same time. Okay, so for every 500 points, that equals $1, and it cashes out to PayPal, to your bank account, or a gift card that you want to use. Okay, so that's one of the ways. The other ways is playing games, guys. Okay, playing games can literally get you money, and it's not that hard. So get paid to play. Online games and puzzles are a fun way to pass the time. It's even better when you're rewarded for your time and get paid to play. So you can earn points, play your favorite games as an easy way to earn points, or you could enter daily draw, gain an entry into the daily prize draw for every 12 points you earn. And playing games on Get Paid To is an easy way to earn money online and get paid for your time. With a wide selection of games, including Sudoku, crossword, word search, pool, jigsaw, arcade games, and more. If you have some spare time and enjoy online games, play them on Get Paid To earn GPT points. Now there are a lot of games that you can check out here. So let's look at the games, how it works. So you're going to sign up for the account first, and then you launch the games area. So you would need to come here and launch one of these games. And then you're going to play the game. Play a wide selection of games, including word, arcade, strategy, cards, and puzzles. And then you earn. Get paid for playing your favorite games online and see your points balance stack up. So even in the FAQs, I can seriously get paid to play games? Yes, simply head to our game section and launch games window. Then you're ready to start earning. You can earn a maximum of 500 points a day. Remember, always try to complete games in order to get credited for your gameplay. You can try out whichever game you think is going to be best for you, but I have heard this game here, Sweet Shuffle, is the best one to use, and this is where you can earn 12 bucks over and over again over here. Okay guys, so you can check out all the different games, and there will be even more once you set up your account to check out. and you can see how they work and how you can earn money through those games, because each of the games will be different. Okay, so you need to kind of check them out yourself. So that's another way to gain as you are. So you could have your videos running in the background and play some games, or you can now try surveys. Now surveys is another way for you to get points. Let's see, how to get paid for your opinion, get your views heard, and start getting paid for your time spent online. We've got some of the best providers and research panels offering you new ways to earn every day. Whether you have 5 minutes or half an hour to spare, give your opinion on topics such as shopping habits, technology, travel, and more to earn GPT points. How does it work? So you sign up, then you will check what surveys we have available, click through and give your views by answering all the questions honestly, and then receive payment to your Get Paid To account after each successful completion, then cash out as you wish. The key benefits is free sign up, daily surveys, and it's easy way to cash out, because you could cash out with PayPal, gift card, or bank, and it is FCA regulated. Your earnings are protected under the Financial Conduct Authority regulations. So let's go back up to the main section. So survey, so we've gone through. So now shop. Okay, shop. Search thousands of offers at brands you love. So you could shop, you could go through the categories and see what you can buy through the site. So basically you shop through the site. So let's say there's GameStop and you click on here, but you got to log in first, of course. Make sure you're logged in. Then you could click this button to go to GameStop to start shopping. So you got to start within the site first. You gotta start at Get Paid To and then search the brand that you want and then click or visit retailer and get cash back, or click this one of these, and then go start shopping over there. Okay, let's check out the reviews here. At Trustpilot is a really good site for determining what's a good site, because these are from real users. So this is rated 5 out of 500 people, 533 people, so that's not too bad. So guys, if you go back to the home page here now, the Earn tab here, you have surveys, you can watch videos, play games, do tasks, and there's offer walls. Offer walls, you should really check that out, because offer walls usually have offers about try different products, or trying a subscription, or trying something that is usually maybe a free offer, but there could be paid offers, meaning like if it's a trial subscription, but then you have to pay for shipping or something like that. Just be careful of those kind of offers, because they may start charging you a subscription after the trial's over, so you need to cancel anything that will charge you later on. Okay, and then they also have daily prize draw, and this other one, which is a great one I want to tell you about, is refer friends. This is going to be another way to earn big, because when you can refer friends, you can earn from their earnings as well. So this is a great way to earn even more passively without doing anything. So what do our top earners all have in common? They let their friends do all the work. Get paid to refer with Get Paid To. So let's see how it works. You refer and get paid. Invite your friends and tell them how easy it is to earn online. So what do you earn? You get 15% commission on any points your friend earns, plus points for sub-referrals. So it's actually two-tiered. Bonus is that you get a 10% bonus when your referral earns 1,000 points in the first 30 days. Okay, so this is going to be a tough one. Let's see if people follow through. Referring friends is a great way to earn online. It couldn't be easier. Oh, it's actually 3 tiers. So let's see how it works here. You refer your friend Tom to Get Paid To. Tom signs up and earns points on Get Paid To. You get 15% commission on any points Tom earns. So that's great, right? And then if Tom also refers other people, so points sub referrals. It doesn't stop there. If Tom then refers his friends to Get Paid To, you also earn commission on his friends' points earnings. Great, right? Sub referrals get paid out at specific levels depending on the sub tier level, starting at 5%. It's as easy as refer and earn. So there's you. So your direct referral will be 15%, and then anything your referrals get will be 5% and 2% as it goes down. Earn extra bonus points here. We'll give you 100 points for every referral that signs up and earns 1,000 GPT points in their first 30 days. With so many ways to earn, including surveys, games, videos, and more, the bonus is yours for the taking. Refer your friends and get paid with this amazing bonus. All right, guys. So this is awesome. This referral program is gonna really help you get even more money for your earnings here, guys. But in general though, guys, you gotta do a lot of these to earn a decent amount of money, okay? So go ahead and do that. But I just want to let you know, if when you do earn some money from a site like getpaidto.com, it's more wise to save that money and actually invest it into a program like the one in my video description below, because a program like that below can teach you high income online skills that you can use to earn big money online, guys, okay? You're not going to earn too much money from sites like getpaidto.com. It's just not going to happen like that. You're going to need to learn how to use something like affiliate marketing. That's a business model that I've been using since 2016 to earn online. And I make a passive online income with it every single month, guys. And it's something that I can depend on and my family depends on. And so it is very wise to kind of learn online skills that can earn you big money online, so you can have more freedom and work whenever you want, not what your boss dictates, guys, okay? So I hope you enjoyed this video today. If you did, please give me a thumbs up underneath this video and like this video. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to my channel so you can learn more ways to make money online. And hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out. Okay, guys? All right, I'll see you on the next one. Thank you. Bye.